Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the reshape feature on the FaceApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, then select the picture that you want to edit and then slide to the right side of the screen. And after that, click on the reshape button. Here, click on the reshape option down below, zoom in and start selecting the areas and start reshaping the facial features that you want to. Here you can also use the size button so you can or feature so that you can position this circle to the part that you want to resize, like this. So you can also set the width and you can use the recovery feature to brush over the areas and then they will be reset. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.